Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you turn off self-cleaning oven early, Frigidaire? How to stop self-cleaning feature on Frigidaire oven. This is because if the door was locked open, you can simply press the light switch, program the self-cleaning cycle, and wait for a few seconds. Then, just cancel the cycle, wait for a few seconds, and you will be able to close the door. Can you turn off self-cleaning oven early, Kenmore? Generally there is a stop, clear button to push to stop the cleaning process. If the door does not unlock, press clean again and wait 1 minute and then press stop, clear again and wait to see if the door will unlock. Note: the oven must cool down before it will unlock. Can you cook after self-cleaning oven? It's safe to cook in a self-cleaning oven as soon as the process is finished. The oven has completely cooled and you have cleared the ashes. Self-cleaning ovens work without the need for toxic cleaning solutions. Instead they use extremely high temperatures to burn away food grime. Can I stop my self-cleaning oven early? You can stop a self-cleaning oven in the middle of its cleaning cycle. The stop knob on mechanical timer models can be used to turn the oven off. If the cycle doesn't stop, turn off the power to the range or oven at the house.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.